using the substitution, u equals square root of x, or x to the 1/2, we need to find the exact value of the improper integral. First, we would need to find the derivative of u with respect to x. So du dx, since square root of x is x to the 1/2, this is 1/2 x to the negative 1/2, or we say that du dx is 1/2 square root of x. Now let's look at this part here. You have 1 over square root of x dx. So we can multiply throughout by 2, or just rearrange this. You see that 2 du is 1 over square root of x dx, meaning that this part can be replaced with 2 du. Now 1 over x plus 1, now we need to switch the limits of integration from values of x to values of u. When x is 3, u is square root of x, so that is square root of 3. And the upper limit is infinity. So you see that as x approaches infinity, u, which is square root of x, approaches infinity as well. We also have 1 over x plus 1. If u is square root of x, then we say that x must be the square of u. So the improper integral now becomes the integral from 1 over x is u squared. We have u squared plus 1. This part is 2 du, and the limits is from square root of 3 to infinity. Well, since this is an improper integral, there is a 2, we can pull the 2 all the way out. And we switch the infinity into b. We take the limit as b approaches infinity. And we have 1 plus u squared as the integral. So the integral of 1 over 1 plus u squared, that is arctangent. We have 2 here. Then we have limit as b approaches infinity. This will give us arctangent of u from square root of 3 to b. And we can now evaluate so that we have arctangent of b minus arctangent of square root of 3. Since we are taking the limit as b approaches infinity, we have the limit of the arctangent of b as b approaches infinity minus arctangent of square root of 3. We're looking at arctangent here. We know that tangent of an angle is root 3. From special triangle, tangent of pi over 3 is root 3, indicating that the arctangent of root 3 is pi over 3. So this can be replaced with pi over 3. And now, to find the limit of arctangent of b, the graph of the arctangent function is the inverse tangent. Tangent has an asymptote at minus pi over 2 and pi over 2. That is pi over 2. And the graph of the arctangent function is like that. You see that as x approaches infinity, the graph arctangent of x approaches pi over 2. Then this will give us pi over 2. So that will be 2, and then we have pi over 2 minus pi over 3. Well, if you distribute the 2, we have pi minus 2 pi over 3, and that is pi over 3.